Happy Monday!
Today
We're gonna build our own
volcano. It's gonna be so exciting.
Okay. So this is a National Geographic kit. I'm opening it right now. Ooh, instructions and learning guide. It looks kind of complicated. Okay, so first thing we're ready to do is assemble our volcano.
We're going to mix our citric acid and we're going to mix the eruption powder together with some dish soap into this container. And then Riley is going to add water to the mixture in here and it's going to erupt. So I've got some gloves for me because I'm going to be mixing the chemicals. We're going to add some dish soap and then Riley's going to do the eruption.
And I'm going to have these safety goggles on.
Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to do...
Hold this while I put my safety goggles
Oh, okay.
on.
All right, I'll hold it while you put on your safety goggles. We have our supervisor over here, looking upon us majestically. Kara, are you ready to take over the camera while I mix everything up?
Yep.
Okay.
Did you already tape it?
Taping right now, Mom.
Oh, okay.
Kind of swells up a little bit. You see, Riley?
Yeah.
Bleh. Lava.
Why is it going down so slowly? Oh, there we go. That's more like a volcano. I was hoping like a...
Kind of like the Coke and Mentos that we did last week.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me too. Okay, here's what we're gonna do now, Riley. You ready?
What?
Are you videotaping?
Yep. What? Ah! Oh.
So here you can see the reaction a little bit better because of how much there is. See, it's bubbling.